This is Capcut text-to-speech for Windows. Assuming you have a Windows device, you want to download Capcut for your PC. And assuming you have a video clip or footage that you would like to add the text-to-speech to,
we'll show you how to get Adobe Premiere Pro.
You want to click, select, and highlight, right-click, and click on Transcript. Wait for this to load. This is a free Windows Capcut PC feature. Now you want to click, select, and highlight all of the text you would like to transcript. Top right hand screen, click on the CC icon, generate captions. If you want to split up the text, you can go so by clicking B on your keyboard and clicking where you would like to split up the text. You can edit the text according to your choice. And now click, select, and highlight all three of the clips. Go to the top right hand screen and click on text. You can edit the text if you would like. And then you want to click text to speech next to animation. As you can see, we're going to click on trending. Click on 1.
Tutorial will show you how to